All right, so everyone's been asking me how I get in my car and what I have to do to drive. So I thought I'd do a little video giving you guys a quick update on how I do it. Here we go. Coming? All right, lay down. Chair is too wide, so I gotta take one tire off. It's a bit of a pain. I gotta leave it tipped up like this so that it really has room to sit. And my fire poker. And that's all there is to it. So when I turn left without the chest strap, I can fall over in the car. So the chest strap keeps me in place. So I gotta buckle up. And then the way that this works now is it's pretty simple actually. You just pull back on this, that's my acceleration. And pushing on this is brake. As you guys know, I've snowmobiled, dirt bike, quad my whole life, and so riding and driving things with my hands is not an issue. So basically getting out of the car, as I'm sure you can imagine, is exactly reverse. And that's all there is to it.